Here I have ALCATEL Pop C2, and let me show you how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen right here, and if you would like to simply quickly switch on the battery saver, let's use the upper bar right here, choose the following icon right here, and here you can find the saving mode. Let's tap it, and right now you've got access to the saving mode. For example, you can change some settings connected to a saving mode. You can turn off the Wi-Fi, turn off Bluetooth and other stuff. If you would like to find the saving mode on settings, let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Right here, scroll down, choose the battery management. Here you've got the saving mode, you can turn it on right here. Right now the device turned on the saving mode. You can also choose on saving mode, and as previously you can see the settings with the saving mode, so the restriction, brightness and other stuff. If you would like to disable the saving mode, let's just tap it right here, the switcher, and that's it. You can use your device in a normal mode. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.